Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll give some tricks to find the R and S configurations of chiral molecules. If the chiral molecule is planar, or you can say two-dimensional according to Fischer projection, and you know CIP rules or sequence rules, here you will get some tricks to find R and S configurations without rotating the groups bonded to the chiral carbon. Let us start without wasting much time. In the trick, we will use some letters L, B, C, R or S. What is L? Atomic group having lowest priority according to CIP rules or sequence rules. B means L is at the bottom of the chiral carbon. If it is at the top, then T is there. If it is in the horizontal line, H is there. If L is at the bottom, we'll write B. If L is at the top, we'll write T. If L is on the horizontal line, we'll write H. H means horizontal line. T means at the top. C, if I is rotated in decreasing order of priority in clockwise direction, then it can have R configuration or S configuration. Then some tricks are there. Trick number 1. L, B, C, R. L means atomic group having lowest priority. L means atomic group having lowest priority. B means the lowest priority group is at the bottom. C means clockwise direction. Here you see this chiral carbon is bonded to I, Br, Cl. It has the highest priority and it has the lowest priority. And the rotation from 1 to 3 is in clockwise direction. C means clockwise direction. Then it has R configuration that we usually do. In trick 2, you will find LTCR. L means atomic group having lowest priority is at the top. T means top. And the groups having priority 1 is over here. Next number 2, and this has third priority, and this one has fourth priority. Here the rotation from I to Cl is in clockwise direction. In clockwise direction. So it should have R configuration. Here we have not bring this H group to the bottom and bromine to the top and I to this side and Cl to this side. Without rotating, we can find the configuration of this compound as R from this trick LTCR. Trick number 3. LHCS. L means atomic group having lowest priority. H means if L is in horizontal line. C means the movement of priority groups is in clockwise direction. Then it has S configuration. You see, Here I has the highest priority, so it is given number 1, then bromine number 2, then chlorine number 3, and H being the lightest, having atom number 1, gets number 4. Means this is the lowest priority group. But this lowest priority group is in the horizontal line. Without rotating to this side, we can find the configuration from this trick LHCS. L means the group having lowest priority is in horizontal line, and the rotation from 1 to 3 is in clockwise direction. 1, 2, then 3, and it should have S configuration. In short, L is the atomic group having lowest priority, is in the bottom position. If the rotation of priority groups in clockwise direction, then it should have R configuration. If the atomic group having lowest priority is at the top of the chiral carbon, and the rotation of priority groups in clockwise direction, then it has R configuration. If the atomic group having lowest priority is in the horizontal line, and the rotation of priority groups in clockwise direction, then it should have S configuration. Here we can apply these tricks without rotating the groups around the chiral carbon. If it is in clockwise direction and L is at the bottom, then it should have R configuration. L is at the top and the rotation of priority groups in clockwise direction, then it should have R configuration. If L is in the horizontal line and the rotation of priority groups in clockwise direction, then it should have S configuration. If the atomic group having lowest priority is in the horizontal line and the rotation of priority group is in clockwise direction, then it should have S configuration. The trick can be written in a different way if the rotation of priority groups is in anti-clockwise direction. If the atom or group having lowest priority is at the bottom and the movement of groups in the priority order is in anti-clockwise direction, then it should have S configuration. If the atom or group having lowest priority is at the top and the movement of priority groups is in anti-clockwise direction, then it should have S configuration. If the atom or group having lowest priority is in the horizontal line and the movement of priority groups is in anti-clockwise direction, then it should have R configuration. L, B, T, H, A, SSR. Thank you for watching the video till the end.